into that right ventricle.
So it's coming in from there. So that's a tricuspid.
I think it's the way things are starting to head. We're seeing this in medical schools are using this. I got excited about this when I went to a conference and a professor at a medical school used it, and it was like, wow, this is actually a lot better than it used to be. This is pretty amazing. I figure, if I get excited about it, students are probably going to get excited about it. If we have a few more setups, we should be able to realize that.
It gives you a different perspective. You can go inside the heart and look around. With each pump, you can see the valves moving. You can peel different layers off of the heart and just see all the different layers in the valves in each chamber.
I really think it reinforced learning. Psychology of learning has shown the more forms you see information, the more it's going to stick. And that's really what we want students to do in pre-health careers, and all the way from pre-med to I want to be a personal trainer. They have to know how all of these things work. So if they see it on paper, if they see it in an A&P lab, and they see it on a screen, it's just allowing them to have that much more opportunity to make it stick in their head.
Having this technology in undergrad for students will really better prepare them for their professional life.
This virtual reality technology will help our students because currently we only use rabbits and a cadaver, so being able to repeat the technique will help.
We have real specimens, bones, cadavers, and things that they can learn on, but this is a way of supplementing that and giving them another avenue to access the material.